Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to siphon off all of the water on top of your above ground pool. So if you have a cover on your pool and it rained, now you got a bunch of water on there, you don't want that water going into your pool, you can siphon it off, get a garden hose, put one end in there, and then at the other end, get a little vacuum, a shop vac, pull out the filter, and you are going to siphon this water out. Now it's a lot easier with a vacuum than by your own power, so trust me on that one. Just turn the vacuum on and we'll suck the water through the hose, and then you can put that hose over the hill or somewhere else and the water will just run out naturally. Ready? Here we go. And there we go. So now this water will continue running. You can move it from here down a bank or something. Let that water just drain on its own. And as long as there are no kinks in the hose, you can keep this end submerged underwater and it will flow on its own until this empties out. So that is it. That is how to quickly and easily remove the water from the top of your pool cover or from anywhere that you don't want water to be. I hope you liked this video. Do so by clicking that like button. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay tuned to future videos. Thank you.